In this video, we'll fix a rare but important error on Shadcn Ui components, add a demo homepage, and lastly create our own hero section on the homepage. Subscribe now and prove you're not just watching, you're building. Now let's go back. We actually saw another error here. Okay, let's refresh the page and see. And it's saying function components cannot be given refs. So attempt to access this ref will fail. Mean React forward. Okay, so this error, I think this is coming from the Shadcn button we just installed. Let's just give it a look. Let's go to that button. I don't think we have anything to do with the button variables. It has something to do with this function here. So there's actually a fix. So just let me show you how that works. We had to change something here. On button equal React forward back. I'll explain what this is in a bit. So we pass up here, comma, and then we also pass the ref. And here as well, we pass the ref. That's right. Okay. Ref button variant site. Okay. So let's put this down here. We are missing. All right. Oh yeah. By the way, we need to add this link here as well. Button dot display name. Now let's set mission. All right, great. So it went away. So what happened was this error actually occurred because button component was cloned by Radix's slot system, and then a ref was being forwarded down. This ref came from the header component in here, which we just created. And because of that, since our button, this is our button, and since this person wrapped with forwardRef, it started throwing in a ref. So how we fixed it was we wrapped the entire button using forwardRef. Before, button was just a plain function, and therefore if you pass any ref to this, it will fail. And now this is a forward ref component, not just a plain function component. So now React knows how to forward this ref down to the underlying DOM node, which is the button. Because usually function components do not accept refs. Only DOM elements like the normal buttons, this one here. Now these would accept ref, but this button would not. This is a Shadcn component. This is a function component. So it does not accept refs, which is why we have wrapped this entire thing using React forward ref. And I hope that is clear. Also, if you do not understand anything, just leave a comment. I'll try to help you in any way I can. And alright, so now we just have to do one more thing. You can close all this. We have to come down to pages. Use. Okay, we don't have a page. Yes, folder. Let's create it. And inside this, we have a home page. This is a page component. Let's call it as Ubri. It runs a hill. And then we have an its own element here. That says good to the home page. Then add a little space here. Then, okay, export default home page. Right. Now, just adding this here will not work. As you can see here, it will not work. So, in order to get that home page in here, you will have to route it. So, to do that, we have to go to JSS. And inside this route layout, then I've got another row. Okay. And also, this will be a self-closing element. Index, this signifies this is the main page. Element equals the home page equal. And okay, it auto imported it. Always make sure if you try to add something here, it has to come up here. Not, it would not work. Let's check it out. And yeah, now you can see it is now showing this is the home page. This is the header. This is a brand new page. Watch this far? Leave a like. It helps me reach a wider audience on YouTube. Alright, so now let's create a folder inside components called home, inside which we will be having a component called hero.jsx. And in here, let's make this uppercase hero and let's remove all that. And now let's add a section with an ID of home and then a div with a class name of height. CALC is a way of calculating, and 100 VH is equal to 100 viewport height. It will be a flex container. With a background gradient. It changes color from primary to blue 600 and the text will be white. While the edges will be rounded with a shadow. Inside that we have another div. This gives the maximum width for that div content. And inside that we have the h1 tag with font bold and with a large text. And for large screens it will be 5XL with a margin bottom of 6. And for this you can give any text here. I'll just give this as take control of your future today. And again some random text. This can be anything. And then we'll just give this a class name of text large with MD text XL, margin bottom and opacity of 90. And then max width. And after that we have a div with a class name of MP8 which is margin top 8. And then a button component. And then some class names. And the background will be white while the text will be primary color. And then I have a background of gray. And the font is semi-bold. With flat text and transitions as well for all. And then some random text. And then lastly a p tag, a paragraph tag with some random text. And then some class names for it. This text will be small by default. And that's it. Zero is done. Now let's go to the home page and then make some changes here. It will be rounded. And then add the hero component here. Alright, so now let's see how this looks like on our home page. Alright, so now we have the heading and then a paragraph followed by the CTA button. And we can scroll down. Okay, so we are having an issue at the top. When we scroll down, there's the navigation bar seems to be going transparent. Let's see how we can fix that. Okay, let's go to the header component. Then scroll up. Let's collapse this. Come down and okay, after my2, let's give this a BG of background, which is white. Now let's see how this looks like. Okay, seems like our issue is all fixed. It is no longer transparent. Now let's see how this looks like in a tablet view. And here's our menu icon with the menu with our hero component. Let's just make it smaller for a mobile screen and this is how it looks like. I'm using this at 80% screen size. We have now fixed the forwardRef error and then added a demo homepage and then lastly added a hero component. On the next video, we'll complete all the remaining sections of our homepage. See you on the next one. Bye bye.